Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make to-do list in Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone, and if we want to create to-do list, we don't have to create it manually. We can automatically create to-do list using the Google Sheets template. So you can click on this plus button, then you can select choose template, and then there will be a couple of templates that we can use. And since we want to create to-do list, we can click on to-do list option right here. Then after we click on the to-do list template, the to-do list will be automatically created on our spreadsheet. Okay, and just hold on guys. Okay, and now the to-do list has been created, and you can modify the to-do list as you want guys. So you can change the color of the to-do list, and if you want to add your text, you can add your task. You can add right here. Just click on the row right here, then you can enter your task right here. And for example, I'm going to add this task. Okay, and we can add the date right here, so just add the date. Then if you have done your task, you can click on this check mark, this checkbox, I mean, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can create to-do list in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.